Hi guys, AJ from Homelab Networks, and in this video I wanted to show you guys what's in this drawer back here, all my spare parts and stock, and what I've collected over the years in IT, and what my plans are for the future on this channel. So let's get to it. So this is my stock drawer, or part drawer, and so I bought this drawer secondhand for about 100 bucks. Oh no, sorry, it's about 50. The whole deal was $100 because I bought some other items. But I thought this drawer's unseen and unheard of in any setup video. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick look around. So my first one is all the old PS2 and PS3 games. I do have a PS2 console brand new in the box inside that I'll probably never open. That's drawer one. And PC parts and chargers. So this is from the computer I just stripped. That was on my story. So a hard drive there and a fan. Just a few little different types of chargers, hard drive dock, and just some PC parts in here. That's the old network rack we used to run. So I'm going to hang on to this because it might be useful. PC server parts and power supplies. Now I've got an idea that I'm going to make a little series on building a one new server. My only issue is, well, I had attempted to do so. This stuff. This box is that full. I had attempted to do so and I built it, and then every time I would turn it on with the CPU connector, it would turn on for about 2 seconds and then shut down. So I ran all the tests, changed all power supplies. As you can see, these are all brand new, and I'm just convinced the motherboard is fried. And graphics card, screwdrivers, there's fans, and then in this box here, it's all more default graphics cards, hard drives, there's RAM. This box has the motherboard. So I am planning to sort of do that little video series. I'm just needing to buy one new server case so I can put the server case I was going to use in use. One new server case, I just need to buy another SSD and a new motherboard. So Ethernet cables, I've got loads of, because these are meant to be for my store. So there are different like lengths and sizes. All these ones here are for your network rack, or your patch panel cables, and then just your longer cables. But all up, I think there's about 100 here, which is good for me because when I need one, they're here. So, and they're just really beautiful cables. Really nice. So these will be sold on my store. When I do launch it, I'll do special deals for the first 10 buyers, and all ship the same day. So you'll get your item as quick as possible. And then they're just antennas, it's nothing special there. And then some other display cords. I have kept a few CD drives and I put them out of computers. Static thing. And then they're just HDMI cables, DVI, VGA, and extension cords. And these ones here, these are the bullet cameras from Zushi. So there's my spare cameras. So when one of my cameras dies that I've got running now, these are what's going to go up. So I'm really keen to put these up and have a look. I think they look awesome. And it's all stored in my shed. If you've been following for a little bit, you wouldn't know how to set up here. That computer, I convinced it had fried itself as it was open in a hot shed on every single day. It was a crap computer, so I'm kind of happy it blew up. So I've got some space to work now out here when I build computers and servers and stuff. So that's my plan. And the little stock cabinets over here. So I know this video was a bit different, but I just wanted to show you guys my parts and what my plans are for later on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.